one and all, for the national webinar on avenues and challenges for agri-entrepreneurship for a self-reliant community. I would like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, SKRU Bikaner, Professor R.P. who was kind enough to place this event. It was a great opportunity for the Department of Extension, Education and Communication Management thought of this burning issue burning issue of entrepreneurship in the time of pandemic and give shape to this national webinar, which was very kindly supported and encouraged by the Dean, College of Home Science, SKRU Bikaner, Dr. Vinta Dugwal. Thanks to Dr. Chitra Henry, Professor and Head, Department of Extension Education and Communication Management, for a thought process and making all of us work in team. I am highly grateful to the eminent speakers, Mr. Arvind Ojha, Dr. Gaurav Vissa, and Dr. S.K. Singh, who reflected very well on the topic selected by them. And I am sure the participants would agree with me that we have all gained a lot through your presentation and your action. I am our plan to see the number of registration for this webinar. I would like to thank all the participants for having accepted this invitation and giving their valuable time. I am sure everyone has gained out of this very burning issue. I would like to extend my thanks to Dr. Neena Sarif, Dr. S.K. Dr. Mamta Singh, Dr. Namrata, Dr. Ajay Mathur, Engineer Vipin Gadda and his team, Ms. Archana Mathur, and all the staff members of College of Home Science who have joined hands together to make this webinar successful. Thank you once again.